Hi guys, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, Chelsea to sell these players, or Chelsea is open to let these players leave in this summer. In fact, there are so many players, almost 13 to 14 players. But first, let's look at the important players or the most important transfers, because our two goalkeepers' names are also being mentioned, being part of the list. Chelsea may sell Petrovic and Robert Sanchez. These two goalkeepers' names are on the list. By the way, we'll talk about these two important players, and then at the end of this video, we'll come and talk about the remaining list to see who should Chelsea keep and who should Chelsea sell. So please watch this video till the end, and don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Yes, let's come to Chelsea want to sell Petrovic. Information said that Chelsea will listen to any offer that will come for Petrovic and Robert Sanchez. Guys, let's do this together. Chelsea to sell Petrovic. It's not easy. It's not easy because as we are speaking now, he is our last hope. Yes, he is the keeper that Chelsea fans we are looking up to and say, okay, maybe next season we can rely on him. He can be a reliable goalkeeper, someone who can help us in the Champions League. Yes, give us the good performance on the goal post. He is the one, yes, we are looking up to, or reliable in the face of Chelsea fans. But now, guys, information came that Chelsea will listen to offer, yes, to sell Petrovic. So, should Chelsea sell him? Because the issue is that if Chelsea will sell him and go and sign experienced goalkeeper or more reliable goalkeeper who is better than Petrovic, for that one, okay, we can say okay, or it will be good. But the issue is that what is the guarantee if Chelsea sell him? Chelsea will go into the market and bring a goalkeeper who is better than him. We saw it after getting rid of Mendy, after getting rid of Kepa Arrizabalaga. All the goalkeepers who are signing so far, they are young players, young goalkeepers. So that is the issue. What showed that even if Chelsea sell him, Chelsea will go into the market to bring a goalkeeper who is better than Petrovic. And another issue is that, guys, in fact, I think Maresca and the owners, they should be fair to Petrovic. They should give him a chance to prove himself. And luckily, the club competition is coming soon. Yes, they should let him prove himself. Since Maresca joined Chelsea, became our boss, yes, he didn't give Petrovic the chance to show his abilities. Since Maresca just came, he let him went out on loan, and we saw what happened over there at Strasbourg. He performed well. So for me, I think even before Chelsea deciding to sell him or not, Chelsea should give him a fair chance on the goalpost so that everybody can see, yes, his abilities and capabilities, whether he can be our number one goalkeeper or not. By the way, guys, information came that Chelsea will listen to any offer that will come for Petrovic. And let's come to Robert Sanchez. Our Robert Sanchez. My Robert Sanchez. The Robert Sanchez every Chelsea fan cherish and love. Guys, information said that Chelsea want to sell him, or Chelsea will listen to any offer to sell Robert Sanchez, our best goalkeeper. In fact, to be honest, Sanchez finished the season well. Yes, to be honest, when you look at the remaining 3 games we play in the Premier League, he played well. Yes, he performed well. And even some games, he came out with marvelous saves, super saves. But just that the legs is the issue. He can't give accurate pass. That is the issue of Sanchez. But when it comes to save, for me, I believe, among all our 3 goalkeepers, including Petrovic, for me, I believe, when it comes to save the ball out of the net, Sanchez is better. I'm telling you. By the way, Chelsea, we don't need okay goalkeeper. Chelsea, we don't need average goalkeeper. Chelsea, we need elite goalkeeper. Chelsea goalkeeper must be elite. Chelsea goalkeeper must avoid from all sort of errors and mistakes. So for that matter, Chelsea want to sell Sanchez. Guys, Sanchez, keep or sell. Keep or sell. For me, Sanchez selling, as I said already, if Chelsea will bring a reliable goalkeeper who is better than Sanchez and Petrovic, I'm good to go. But if Petrovic will be our number one goalkeeper, which some of us we are hoping for, then I will keep Sanchez as my second or my third. Yes, I will not sell him. Yes, because this is Chelsea. I'm telling you, games are coming. Club World Cup is coming. Next season, we are playing almost 4 competition, or 3, 4. Yes, 4 competition. Premier League, Champions League, yes. FA Cup and Carabao Cup, yes. Plus this FIFA Club Tournament. How many competitions? 5. In fact, FIFA should do it that the team who wins the Conference League and the team who wins the Europa League, they play semi-final. So between these 2 teams, who wins will then go and play the Champions League winner, the Super Cup. Because this season's best performance, no, I don't see them beating PSG. So I wanted FIFA to do it that way, so that Chelsea will beat Spurs and go and win the Super Cup. Yes, they should look up to it. Yeah, they should decide, because all those tournaments are European trophies. So they should look at it that way. Yes, Conference League, Europa League winners play semi-final. Who wins, he then go and play, yes, the Champions League winner, the Super Cup final. Yes, in the next years to come or future to come, we want to see it that way. Yes, if by Chelsea for the Conference League, this is our last time playing it. No. Even Europa League, I don't want Chelsea to go to any European competition apart from Champions League. So guys, let's come back to Robert Sanchez. Should Chelsea sell him or keep him? Guys, because information said that Chelsea will listen to any offer that will come for Robert Sanchez. Yes, let me hear from you under the comment section, guys, your opinion, your thought about Chelsea, yes, selling this our 2 goalkeepers, and even Jorgensen future. It looks like Chelsea will keep him, but it will be hard for him to be our first goalkeeper. Yes, that will be the issue for Jorgensen. He will be in Chelsea, but the playing time will be an issue. And in the long run, for me, I believe if this kind of players are not getting the playing time, because Jorgensen, when we signed him from Villarreal, he wasn't a bench player. He was playing, getting regular playing time. So I think in the future, if this player doesn't get the playing time, they may request to leave. Yes. By the way, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about Chelsea selling, yes, Sanchez and Petrovic. And let's come to the winger Chelsea about to sign, Jamie Gittens from Dortmund. Information said that as we are speaking now, negotiations, talks are having between Borussia Dortmund and Chelsea FC. Yes, Chelsea want to sign Gittens before the Club World Cup even start, and his market value is 50 million. So Chelsea is having in talk with Dortmund. Chelsea is having negotiation with Dortmund to sign Gittens, yes, before the club tournament start. Guys, let's talk about Chelsea landing or signing Gittens. In fact, some of us, we wanted an upgrade to our current wingers, Gato, Madueke and co, Sancho and co. And when you look at Gittens, I will not say, or I can't say Gittens is upper or better than Madueke, Neto and Sancho and co. No. If, let me say, I will even pick our current center back over him, because this is the Premier League. You can be performing well at different league. Premier League is different ball game. So some of us, we wanted an upgrade. But guys, now information said that Chelsea are about to sign him, and even Chelsea want to sign him before the club tournament start. Yes, Chelsea want to sign so many players. Chelsea already signed a striker, Liam Delap, yes, to play the club tournament, the same as the winger. So guys, Chelsea signing Gittens. Do you think he is the right signing? Do you think he can come and give us the performance? And not only Gittens Chelsea have on the list, Chelsea have Nico Williams, and Chelsea also have Garnacho. So let's look at these 3 wingers, Nico Williams, Garnacho, and Gittens. Who do you think can do the work better? Yes, for Chelsea, Gittens, Garnacho, and Nico Williams. So guys, that is the latest news for Gittens transfer to Chelsea. Chelsea and Dortmund are having in talks currently, yes, to land him, for Chelsea to sign him before the Club World Cup even start. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about Chelsea signing Jamie Gittens, guys. And Frankfurt striker Chelsea wanted to sign, now Chelsea went back. Ekitike, Chelsea wanted to sign him even before signing Liam Delap, but because of the fee, the 80 million Frankfurt want or the 100 million they want, Chelsea went ahead and signed Liam Delap. But guys, Chelsea went back to sign Ekitike. Yes, and information said that Frankfurt and Chelsea, they are having talks again. Yes, Chelsea want to do maybe at least 2 or 3 signings before the club tournament starts, so that Chelsea can be in the right position to win it. Yes, we can have the squad depth to compete there and win it. So guys, Chelsea is having talks again with Ekitike. Yes, to land Ekitike to add to Delap and Nicola Jackson as our strikers. And information earlier came that Chelsea will sign 2 strikers and a winger. So I don't know, because information keep on saying that whether Delap and Ekitike will be the 2 strikers Chelsea will sign, we are yet to see. Or Chelsea will still bring Victor Gyökeres, or Chelsea will still bring Sesko, or Chelsea will still bring Victor Osimhen. We are yet to see. So guys, the transfer window just opened for the team that will participate in the Club World Cup. Yes, from 1st June to 10th June. Then it will close. 5 days time, it will open again for the general whole sports team. Then any team can do their transfer. But as of now, the transfer window is open for clubs that will participate in the club tournament, Chelsea and City in the Premier League. 1st June to 10th June. So guys, Chelsea is having in talk with Ekitike, and information even said that for personal terms already agree. Ekitike want to join Chelsea. Ekitike want to come to Chelsea. Should Chelsea sign him? Please go and watch his videos. He's not a bad player, but Charlie, we saw it. These signings are all risky signings. These signings are all risky. That is our issue with Chelsea fans. Some of we the Chelsea fans, that is our issue. It isn't that these players are bad, but we are looking at where Chelsea should be. Chelsea should be competing. Chelsea should win Champions League and Premier League. And can this guy do it? That is the big question here. Can Delap win me in the Premier League? Can Jackson win me in the Premier League? Can Ekitike win me in the Champions League? That is the big question here. So that is why we want Victor Gyökeres. That is why we want Victor Osimhen or Isak. Those players who already have the numbers, the proven strikers, the clinical strikers. But Chelsea signing Ekitike, for me, I'm here to see what Ekitike will bring to my Chelsea. Chelsea signing Delap, I'm here to see what Delap will bring to my Chelsea. For Jackson, we already saw nothing Jackson will bring to Chelsea. Jackson cannot win me in the Premier League. See, even if Chelsea will go with these strikers, then Enzo Maresca must stand up. And other wingers, Cole Palmer and Co. And Chelsea having a reliable goalkeeper and defense. Because when it comes to tournament football, defense win you tournament footballs. And defense win you trophies. Forget. In tournament football, forget about conceding. No, you don't have to concede. So even Chelsea competing in the Champions League and in the Premier League, we need those players, experienced players, and yet we don't even have that reliable goalkeeper. Yet we don't even have that reliable centre backs. At the end of this season, Liverpool was picking it. Yes, Chalobah, Tosin and Co, they are all good, but Charlie, we can't trust them. Can we rely on them? We need at least 1, 2 or 3 experienced players, yes, to balance the squad, to make our squad complete, to be able to compete at the highest level. See guys, this is not a joke. You can't win the Champions League by luck. You can't win the Premier League by luck. Yes, luck may be part, but the rest of the work, yes, you must do it. The players must do it. Yes, having the experience and the manager coming out with good team selection, good tactical point of view. So guys, we need experience. We need Victor Gyökeres. We need Victor Osimhen. We need Isak. We need experience in this Chelsea young talented squad for Chelsea to stand the chance of competing, winning any major trophy, winning any competitive trophy. Man U, Champions League, Chelsea will be competing with Real Madrid. Champions League, Chelsea will be competing with PSG, Barcelona and Co. All the big teams you can talk about, Chelsea will be competing with them. At the end of the day, one team among all those elite teams, Bayern Munich and Co, must leave the Champions League. So we have to do everything that we can do to stand the chance of winning those trophies ahead of those elite teams. And what should our owners do? They should go and bring us that experienced players. But now look at the signings. Yes, we are even doing this season or this summer. Look at the signings. We qualify for the Champions League. Some of us were thinking maybe the owners will, okay, because Chelsea qualify for the Champions League, what we saw last season, inexperience in Chelsea squad, for that matter, will go into the market and bring Chelsea. But now look at us. Look at the players they are signing. They are not bad, but they are not Chelsea standard. So guys, that is my analysis, my opinion on Chelsea signing a striker. Chelsea is having talk with Frankfurt to land Ekitike, guys. And let's come to the remaining players Chelsea will sell. Guys, let's do keep or sell. Keep or sell. I'm going to mention their names so that Let me hear from you under the comment section. Should Chelsea keep those players or sell them? Yes, and these are the list. You will see it on the screen, guys. A list of all who could leave this summer according to Guardian Sport. The first player, Sanchez, keep or sell, guys. Sanchez, Robert Sanchez. And the second player is Petrovic, keep or sell, guys. And the third player, Vega, keep or sell. Yes, another player, Ben Chilwell, keep or sell, guys. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Disasi, yes, the almighty Disasi, keep or sell. And Wesley Fofana, the injury-prone Wesley Fofana, keep or sell, guys. Kenan Drosboro Hall, yes, the best midfielder who is better than Bruno Fernandes, keep or sell, guys. And Chukwuemeka, Kene Chukwuemeka, he is on loan. Should Chelsea sell him or should Chelsea keep him? And Leslie Okochukwu, another player who is on loan. Should Chelsea keep him or sell him, guys? Sterling, Raheem Sterling, the winger, Raheem Sterling, your Raheem Sterling, the dribbler. Should Chelsea keep him or sell him? Sterling. And Christopher Nkunku, guys, information said that for Nkunku there he will leave. By the way, should Chelsea keep him or sell him? And João Felix also will return from loan, yes, from AC Milan. Should Chelsea keep him or sell him? And no, Madueke. No, Madueke. Our Madueke, who is better than Yamal, guys. Should Chelsea keep him or sell him? Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Yes, these are our players, yes, on the list of Chelsea. The possible, yes, selling and the possible keeping, yes. Should Chelsea keep any of these players? They are on the list, yes. Players Chelsea may sell. Guys, that is the transfer news today. If anything happen, I will update you again. Yes, today Chelsea may official announce, yes, Liam Delap signing. And if anything happen about Liam Delap signing, the official announcement come, yes, I will give you the update, the contract length, and maybe the wages, if we can get that information now, because the contract length ahead till 2031. But if the official announcement come, as I said, I will give you the update. Turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, hit the subscription button. If any latest information come from Chelsea, I will give you that information. Take care, peace.